Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the history of changes of the checklists plugin. Alright, so let's, for example, check the first two items and see what is going to happen. So we refresh our ticket and see that here into the history it is applied. We have enabled test 1 and test 2. So if we do some other changes before 1 minute has passed, then it will be added into the same command. So let's see. We check, for example, 3 more items and then refresh again. So we see that they are added into this command. So let's now wait 1 minute and see what will happen. Okay, so we waited even more than 1 minute. We waited 35 minutes. So if we try to check other checklist items and more than 1 minute pass, in our example it is 35 minutes, then a new command will be added and it is not going to be added into the same command. So let's just refresh and see what will happen. So it is less than a minute ago, 3 new items are added. And again, if we add the last 2 items and they are less than 1 minute before the other change, then they will be added here into the same command. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you soon. Bye bye for now.